morning kids. In today's session we will do exercise 7.6. Let me start with its first question. Add the following and reduce to the lowest term. Now you can see here 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. In these two fractions we have the different denominators. As we done the addition in previous exercise, but there the fractions were like fractions. Now here you have the unlike fractions. So first of all, we will convert them into like fractions. To make them like fraction, what you will do, you just try to convert the smaller denominator equals to the bigger denominator. Like here you have 3 and 6. Two denominators are there. So we will try to make 3 equals to 6. So how we can make it? By multiplying in numerator and denominator with 2, we can make the denominator equals to 6. Here we will get 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. And the second fraction is already having denominator 6. So we just multiply with 1 so that its denominator can't change. 5 1s are 5, 6 1s are 6. Now you can see these both fractions are having same denominator. We will add them. 4 by 6 plus 5 by 6. Take the denominator in common and just add 4 and 5. And you will get here 9 by 6. Now we have to reduce them also. We will write in the lowest term. So we try to cut these two numbers on the common table. And that will be 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So my final answer will be 3 by 2. So in this way, by making unlike fractions as a like fractions, you just add the given fractions. Now in question number 2, we have to subtract the following and reduce to the lowest term. In the same way as we done in question 1, we will try to make the denominator of the smaller one equals to the bigger one. As we have here 16 and 8, so we try to convert 8 into 16. So how we will do? We will multiply 1 by 8 with 2 by 2 because we know 8 2s are 16. So here we will multiply with 2. 2 1s are 2. 8 2s are 16. And the first fraction already we have 3 by 16. Now both are the fractions are having same denominator. So 3 by 16 minus 2 by 16. Here we will write the denominator in common. 3 minus 2, that will be 1 by 16. Now it's written there to reduce is to lowest term. But 1 and 16 we can't reduce further, so that will be our answer. Now we start the question number 3. Check the symbol and perform the operation in each of the following. In this question, you will get the mixed bag of question. Like some questions are of addition and some are of subtraction. So you first of all just check the symbol given and then perform accordingly. As we see here, this is the question of addition. So first of all, we convert these mixed fractions into the improper one. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, plus 4 2s are 8 and then plus 3, 11 by 4. Now you get the fractions, but these are unlike fraction. As the previous question, we will try to convert into like fraction. How we will convert? We will take 3 by 2, multiply with 2. So we get here denominator 4, which will be equal to the another fraction. Multiply with 2 and 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now you can see both are having same denominator. You just show here 11 by 4 multiply by 1 and 1. It's not compulsory to show that. You can skip that step also and just directly add them. Or if you want to show that, then also no problem. 11 ones are 11, 4 ones are 4. Now, here you get both fractions with the same denominator. You will just add them. 6 by 4 plus 11 by 4. Take the common denominator 4 and just add the numerators. 17 by 4. Now you can see here 17 and 4 never comes on the same table. So how we will reduce it? We just divide them and we will write in the mixed number. Here you can show the division. 4 4s are 16 and here you get 1 remainder. Now we will write in mixed number, means QRD form. Here quotient, upside remainder, and here divisor. 4:1/4 is the answer. So in this way you can solve rest of the parts of that question. Now in question number 4 we have to solve the word problems. Let me do the B part of that question. Mrs. Kapoor bought 2 kg sugar. She used 1:1/4 kg sugar to bake a cake. How much sugar is left? So as the word left is given, we come to know that is the question of subtraction. So first of all we make the statement. Mrs. Kapoor bought sugar that is equals to 2 kg. She used sugar to bake a cake. How much she used? 1:1/4 kg. Now we have to find the sugar left. To find the sugar left, we will subtract 2 minus 1:1/4. Now here we have to settle down these two numbers. That is the whole number, so make it fraction. 2/1 we will write. Minus, this is a mixed number, solve it. 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5/4. Now here again we are having the unequal denominators. We make them equal, means we will make the fractions like fractions. How we will do? To make 1 equals to 4, we will multiply with 4. 2/1 we multiply with 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Now you can see both the denominators are same, so we subtract them. 8/4 minus 5/4, and here we get 4 in common, 8 minus 5, and that will be equals to 3/4 kg. So here we will give the answer 3/4 kg sugar left. So in this way you can solve rest of the parts of that question. Thank you. Have a nice day.